Now, let me explain how to fix dark lighting or shaky video in your clips for better quality and viewing experience. In CapCut on your phone, as you can see here, you can easily fix dark videos by using the brightness adjustment feature effectively. Adjust is the main solution. Now let's dive into this adjustment feature, where we can enhance the quality of our video clips effectively. Let's choose to increase the brightness, for example, to enhance the overall quality of our video clips effectively. Now let's find this specific function here, where you could also adjust the brightness further to enhance your video quality effectively. Now, let's increase the brightness even more, and basically, that's it. Just click here to finalize your adjustments easily. By increasing the brightness here, we can effectively enhance the overall quality of our video clips easily. You can also add brightness filters, like soft filters, to enhance your video quality. Natural Bridge Clean offers many filters you can use to enhance your video quality effectively. Here you can also find various filters, so make sure to check them out for enhancing your video quality effectively. If the original video was shot in darkness, CapCut alone cannot fully fix this issue effectively. To save the image, it's best to use the original with good lighting, and then enhance it further. Now let's edit this a bit, and that's all. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate your support. Good luck to everyone, and now let's say goodbye for now.